2016 Nissan Altima S. Customer states car not starting. I've already fixed it, but I wanted to run through and show you. When it's not the brake switch causing it to not start, okay, you have to put your foot on the brake to get it to start. When I came to the vehicle, I immediately went to the brake switch to check, because as I had my foot on the brake and hitting start, this message kept coming up: foot on brake, hit start. Unable to get the shifter out of gear. It was locked, wouldn't disengage, come out of park. Okay, check for power at the brake switch. Had power when you press the brake pedal, had power going through the switch. Bypassed it, still would not start or come out of park. No brake lights whatsoever. What I found was a stop lamp relay. We'll come over here to this box here. Okay. A little aggravating trying to get it off, but you can get it off. All right. So right there is going to be your stop lamp relay. Right there. Okay. So judging by the diagram, stop lamp relay, it's going to be this blue one right here. So what I did to check it, I pulled the relay and bypassed it, but the brakes were staying on. So what I did was I grabbed a magnet and placed it right there, and that helped the workings of the relay activate to where we could get the car cranked. I'm going to go ahead and replace it with a Nissan relay and get it recheck it from there. It's been cranking all day with the magnet on, but still, with the cold weather, no matter what, we're going to go ahead and get a new one in there so they're not calling me back for a no start. Hope this helps. Like I said, if you've already replaced the brake switch, I would immediately go to the relay first. After that, as long as you're getting power through that switch, you should be getting the stop lamp relay to energize. And if it's being, grab a kitchen magnet or something and place it in this area right here, and that should be enough to draw it to get the contacts to close when you're wanting to crank it. Have a good one.